I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins with the closing market minute for Friday, July 26th. Both soybeans and corn were lower, seeing a little bit of profit taking while continuing to monitor the weather. Now, forecasts generally remain hot and dry over the near term in parts of the central and western U.S. growing areas, while conditions further to the east are expected to see generally more favorable conditions. And there are some questions about weather forecasts around the time we get to mid-month, and whether or not those are going to be a little bit more mild, or we're going to continue to see hot, dry weather in many key U.S. growing areas. This is going to have an impact on this year's U.S. corn and soybean yields. Wheat closed lower. Chicago and Kansas City were down, continuing to monitor the tail end of the winter wheat harvest. Meanwhile, Minneapolis was lower despite concerns about spring wheat crop stress in parts of the northern U.S. plains and Canada. USDA's next round of supply and demand estimates, along with production numbers, is out August 12th. Live cattle were mixed, waiting for the rest of the week's direct cash cattle business. Dress trade did develop during the session at $2 higher than a week ago. And meanwhile, live business was at $190 live, steady with Wednesday and up $2 from last week as well. Feeder cattle were higher on that lower move in corn. And hogs were mixed, mostly higher on spread trade and the recent trend in pork, which was firm at midday on Friday. With the closing market minute for Friday, July 26th, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins.